Well, check out my new friend. I just found him in the backyard. He looks like he's injured, so he's not going anywhere without me, and he lets you stay on my shoulder. And I mean, he look like one of his eyes is injured, and but he seems to be fine. He likes climbing on my shirt, and he likes to shit on me a lot. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't know what kind of bird this is. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Thank you, and enjoy.